Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make lazy lasagna in the Instant Pot. It is super delicious, super easy. These are the ingredients. And we start off by turning on our Instant Pot to the saute mode, and we add a little bit of olive oil. And when it's hot enough, we add our ground beef, and we're gonna cook this for about 10-15 minutes until brown. We also add salt and pepper. Once it's almost cooked and it has changed color, we're ready to add our onion and our garlic. If you see some little cute nails, that's my daughter helping me today in this video. She's so excited, so give her a thumbs up. And we just give a little stir to combine all our ingredients together. We let this cook for about 10-12 minutes. While this is cooking, we're gonna grab our oven ready lasagna pasta and we just break it, just like I'm showing you here. It kind of showed, but what you do is just break it, okay, into little squares. Now it has to be oven ready. If it's not oven ready, it would not work. Now we're gonna turn off our Instant Pot, and we're ready to add our pasta sauce. I'm gonna put a picture right here. This is the one I like, but you can use whatever pasta sauce you have. We give this a quick little stir again. And we add 1 cup of water. We also add our lasagna pasta, just like I'm showing you here. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then we just start stirring just gently, okay? Don't be rough. And then we just add the other cup of water. So we have a total of 2 cups of water in this, okay? We give another little stir and we make sure the water is covering the pasta. And we just cover our Instant Pot, we lock it, and we make sure it's to sealing, not venting. And we pressure cook for 5 minutes, okay? That's my daughter helping. After the 5 minutes are done, we just cancel our Instant Pot to turn it off, and we switch our valve to venting. Be careful because this is hot. Once the red valve is down, it's safe to open our Instant Pot, and this is how it should look. We give a quick little stir, and then we just add our 1/2 cup of sour cream. And then we add our mozzarella cheese. You can add as much cheese as you want. I like to cover this so it will get melty. And after a minute or two, it is ready. This is how it should look. You can add more cheese if you like. Your kids are going to love this recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me and my daughter a thumbs up and comment below. Have a great day, guys. Bye. Enjoy.
Enjoy. Bye. Enjoy.